Hello everyone, this is Milan from Hipermedia, and in today's video I want to talk about backend marketing and basically what I get wrong, because I got it pretty wrong. Actually, the thing is that I haven't paid enough attention to backend marketing, and yeah, you will see it why and why I thought I think it wasn't important. However, now I realize that maybe it's one of the most important part of a big and good marketing funnel. And the reason why I thought it's not important is because I thought that backend marketing is just about retargeting and email marketing. And yeah, I knew that retargeting was a really great tool to use in marketing and probably generates you a big portion of your revenue as well as sales. But I thought that email marketing is dying, and email marketing is not where it was back in the days, and it's just not the pay to do. But I realized that email marketing is thriving right now, so basically better than it was before actually. So yeah, it was a shock to me to find out that email marketing can be beneficial, and not just can be, actually it will be beneficial, and will be having a positive ROI is almost unescapable with a good email marketing strategy and a few good campaigns. So why I'm saying this is that was the reason why I said I was wrong, because basically I thought that email marketing is not good, and email marketing, so you don't need an email list. And yeah, it was a fucking dumb decision. I'm a marketer and I didn't know that email marketing is still, and an email list is still so valuable. I knew that you can generate leads and yeah, it's cool, but yeah, basically I realized that those leads are the ones that fucking that matter. Sorry guys for swearing, but those leads that are really matters. So basically I realized that backend marketing is not just about retargeting and not just about email marketing, it's the whole thing together. And basically front-end marketing is just, yeah, the icing on the cake actually. So the cake inside is the backend marketing, which is really matters how good is your fucking cake, because it doesn't matter how good is your icing, it's just gonna get you through the door, and then you have to present something with your cake inside of your cake actually, so the fillings and all that kind of stuff to be good, right? So you will choose the cake that look good, and then you will eat the cake and choose it again if it's inside filling layers was good again, or was good, yeah, right? So you don't choose a shitty cake in inside if it's look good again, yeah, right? So this is my thoughts about backend marketing right now, because I realized that an email list is still so much valuable than like 100k followers. So 1,000 people on your email list is compared to like at least 10k, but I would probably say more than 10k followers on social media, because the thing is that on social media you can't really show this to 10,000 people. So if you have 10,000 followers and you post something, it's not gonna reach 10,000 people. But if you are showing, sending an email to your email list, it's going to be showing as 1,000 email in your email list. So it's going to be 1,000 email no matter what happens, right? Because basically you will send it out. Yeah, maybe not all of them will be open, but yeah, but probably most of them if you write it right. And yeah, the open rate is going to be better. And by the way, with email is the thing is that you control everything. So basically you control how good is your open rate, how good is your click-through rate and all that kind of stuff. You control that with email marketing. However, with social media marketing, you naturally, because it's all about the algorithm. So if you please the algorithm with hashtags, with niche targeting, with blah 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 and blah blah blah, you will get good reach. But maybe that niche targeting and maybe that hashtag strategy is not aligned with your content or what you wanna say, but you have to say it a different way, because otherwise nobody will nobody will watch it, or nobody will comment on it, and nobody will click to your link. And by the way, the other thing is that you can't even post links anymore just in advertisements, basically, because on IG you can post links, you just can put in your bio. On LinkedIn, yeah, you can post, but it's not gonna get pushed too much if you're posting an outside link on LinkedIn. On YouTube, yeah, actually on YouTube you can really good post. This is why YouTube is the most monetizable platform of all, in my opinion, and basically everybody thinks that YouTube is the most monetizable platform. Yeah, on Facebook you can post, but nobody will fucking watch Facebook. So yeah, if you advertise there, yeah, it's cool. On TikTok, please, nobody will get out of TikTok. So basically the problem with it is nobody will get out of the scrolling motion. No one wants to get out. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so let's talk about backend marketing and how you can set it up perfectly. So backend marketing has three main elements to it, at least to my understanding and what my thinking suggests and my experiences. So backend marketing starts with the backend where it's crossed with your front end. So basically, the first backend marketing layer is when the purchase isn't happened, but they at least get to your site. So this is the section where you can retarget the buying actions. So add to cart, checkout, website traffic, visitor duration time, all that kind of stuff. You can retarget this and make better conversions rate and get better leverages from this, actually. So this is the basically the king of it. So actually it's really great, and you can retarget this on social media. However, you can retarget this with email marketing if they are already put their email address, for example, for about the checkout. If they already put their email address into that email box, you can retarget them because you know the email address on a few sites. But by the way, that's not so much. I don't know if it's correct or legal or not, because basically they are not signed to your newsletter. They are not willing to give you their email address because they are just trying to check out, but if they are going through the checkout and they are the shipment phase, yeah, probably they are, yeah. So yeah, it's cool. Basically, you can retarget them with email address as well in this first phase. So basically, this is the phase where they did not buy yet, but they are already visited your site. So a little bit interested in your stuff, but not as much as that they would buy. And probably the vast majority of this will buy if you present them a good offer. And this is a really great time to offer them something, because you can retarget separately your buying actions. So you can retarget the buying actions of abandoned cart, abandoned checkout, and you can say that you left this in your cart and we will get a 10% discount if you come back. Or you can say that we will be holding your cart for another day, and if you come back you get 5% off. Okay, so you can do this kind of stuff because it's fully targeted based on the buying action. You can do this on Facebook ads as well as IG ads. On TikTok, I'm not sure that you can do this, but by the way, you're better off doing IG and Facebook ads with this. On Google, you can do that, but that would be a tag manager implementation, so it's going to be a harder one actually, but you can pretty much do it. So the next one is yeah, email marketing, it's kind of easy because that's just going to be an add to cart and checkout that's going to be using your email, so getting their email. So the next phase is when they bought from you already, and they are in the phase that, so the first few days after they bought. I separate this phase because it's a really important phase. This is the phase when you can upsell them. So actually yeah, not the best phase to upsell them, but once their thing is arrived, that's the best place to upsell them, actually, because if you think about it, you can ask their opinion on stuff when they arrived, and ask them if they arrived in time, they how they like it, how they wear it, blah 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 blah, and etc etc. You can get their opinion on things, and for first, it's going to be a good review for you. For second, it's just great for you again because basically you're building connections, because people want to express their voices and want to say their opinion on things. You have to learn this out. Not everybody, but most of them, if they ask, if you ask something from them, they will probably more likely to build a connection with you. Okay, so yeah, and this is the phase where you build your connections, and yeah, you can upsell them here because it's going to be a really hard topic right now, or not topic, but really hard thing, and it will be easy because it's hot right now. They like your product. Yeah, you can upsell them here, but build your connections first, and basically give them the space, the time, ask them, ask, and give value to your email list always. Okay, and the last phase is the, as I like to call it, the deeper long phase of backend marketing. And this is basically the backend marketing where it's going to be long. So basically this will be between two launches. So let's say with a clothing company, you launch something at May, and you get a customer from it, probably more than one, but you get Jimmy from that May launch, and you get Jimmy's Gmail address, so jimmy.gmail.com, and your next launch will be, let's see, it's September. So that's like a 4 or 5 months period. If it was May, I don't recall it, but yeah, it's like a 4-month period. So in that 4 month, you have to stay in Jimmy's mind, and you have their email address, which is free for you to send them emails. Okay, basically not free, because there are email marketing tools which I recommend integrated into your platforms like Wix, Accent, and all that kind of stuff. But it's not that expensive that you are retargeting Jimmy for 4 months. So it will be so much cheaper. So you are retargeting Jimmy 4 months on end, weekly, and not just discount code. Please don't just send discount code and offers to your email list. That's the most waste of time. I don't care if you are this big of a company. Please send something. I was subscribed to Kiora. Probably you know what it is. Pretty famous site, and they are not sending offers to me. They are sending articles and all that kind of stuff. Yeah, I know the articles, that one that is selling, but you should send them articles too, or your blog post if you are writing a blog. That will be good. Your content. Send your content to Jimmy. Send your videos. Send your IG post. Send your LinkedIn post. Send your YouTube shorts. Send your TikToks. Send it to Jimmy. Give Jimmy value. Send articles. Send new research studies, compressed of course, but you can referral. You can implement referral links. Sorry. Into Jimmy's email address, but you need to give Jimmy value for 4 months, and you can do it week by week by week, sending him your content. And yeah, the other thing is your content have to be valuable for Jimmy, but yeah, and also good way to, yeah, we are going to talk about it later, how we can implement all this kind of Jimmy tactic into a good email marketing campaign, which will elongate your thinking, or not your customers thinking, into more month in the year, and you can stay in their mind long enough to send them the discount when your launch is live, actually. So basically this is backend marketing, and I hope you enjoyed this video and liked it. And by the way, yeah, backend marketing is super important. You have to follow this kind of layering with backend marketing. And by the way, Jimmy's email address will not disappear after the September launch. They will go through again the May launch or January launch. I don't know when you are launching again, but they will go again for January launch and the May again, and you know the cycle. But you have to nurture all of these 4 months periods, because yeah, Jimmy is a good customer, so treat Jimmy well, okay? And always give Jimmy value with your content, with articles, with all that kind of stuff. We will be talking about it later in this channel. If you're interested in email marketing and how you can implement this, we will talk about it in our channel, as well as if you are really interested in it, just go to the link down and subscribe to our email list, because we are sending out email marketing strategies, and not just email marketing, all kinds of marketing strategies, tips, weekly in our newsletter. And yeah, basically it will be helpful for you, and probably I can help you with your business with our email list. And yeah, this is my goal, actually, to help you with this email list, make you more money, make you more clients, and basically just grow your business. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you in the next one. Have a nice day.